All right, the exhaust fan is finally dead. It doesn't work at all anymore. I told you it's been rattling for a long time. Now it has finally died. Over here is the switch for the exhaust fan right here where I got my finger. Watch. Nothing. That little noise you hear, that's indicating that I'm pressing that button way too much. It's letting me know that it's already on. And as you can see, it's not working at all. It's completely dead. Well, there goes that. There's nothing we can do about it. It doesn't belong to us. It belongs to the landlord or the owner of the facility here where we work. So now the exhaust fan in the bathroom is dead. It's gone. So that's it. It lasted for years, but finally the motor finally burnt out. So it no longer works. The one next door, it still works. But this one is dead. All right, well, yeah. Until the owner gets it replaced to the landlord. That's it. This video. God bless you and gone. Have a blessed day.